Jai Hind to all. National Cadet Corps has always been working shoulder to shoulder with civil, defense and police personnel in the country to meet any challenge. COVID-19 since April 2020 has been a pandemic of unimaginable scale and ferocity, due to which very effort of government has fallen short. This is where the NCC cadets have come forward to boost relief efforts and provide assistance to the government and the agencies involved in battling the pandemic. The cadets have been instrumental in managing and handholding various tasks such as manning of helplines and call centers, community assistance and data management to amplify the state's effort to curb the spread of pandemic and help the affected citizens. I, Senior Under Officer Sagar Hoda, take pride in saying that the cadets of 5 Haryana Battalion NCC Gurgaon under the Rohtak Group have risen to the nation's call in providing the service when it matters the most. Under the guidance of our CEO sir and with the consent of the parents, we have offered our services to assist the authorities in these challenging times when it needs the most and when the country is fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you. Jai Hind.
As the second wave of COVID pandemic started in April 2021, almost a year after the start of pandemic, positive cases started to rise at exponential rate. Gurugram, being a metropolitan district, saw a huge number of corona positive cases in whole Haryana. Now this is where the NCC cadets come forward voluntarily to assist the Gurugram administration. Cadets were tasked to make phone calls to patients who were home quarantined, asking about their well-being status and whether they require any assistance from the admin. For this, an online training session was conducted by officials from DC office. Initially, 30 cadets were enrolled for the task by the admin and they were assigned 120 calls a day. Cadets started working from their home from 22nd April and were given login IDs and password by the administration for the web portal particularly developed and maintained by them, and are updating real-time info on COVID patients. Initially it was slightly difficult for us since situation we were facing was absolutely new, wherein we were talking to people whom we didn't know and who were under huge mental, physical and even financial stress, with fear of death lurking around. But with constant support and guidance by our CO and officials of district administration, we learned to do it. Almost every day in the evening there was feedback session and reviews through online meetings with COs, ANOs and PI staff. Seeing the response of cadets, requirement of another batch of 30 cadets was given and cadets willingly joined in. Now 60 cadets are working daily. These cadets at one point were talking to almost 4,000 patients every day. The numbers are now significantly reduced. Exercise is an outcome of our training and motivation which we acquired during our training. While we have been able to contribute to some extent to a larger cause, it has been a huge learning curve for cadets wherein we spoke to unknown people under varying degree of stress. Many of them were angry, annoyed, rude, depressed, fearful, desperate, all for valid reasons, but we took all those responses in our stride, keeping absolute cool, since this was the bottom line we were given by our CO before we started. We were happy and proud that we are in position to serve nation in some capacity. NCC cadets have always and will always be there to serve the nation happily and with pride. NCC cadets of 5 Haryana Battalion Gurugram are determined, hardworking and always ready to come forward when nation needs it the most. Jai Hind.
About your health status, how is your health right now? Sir, do you still any symptoms of COVID right now?
No sir, actually I last tested positive on 12th of May, but now I am fit and fine.
Okay. Sir, currently are you home isolated or admitted to any hospital right now?
Sir, I am isolating myself at home.
Okay. Sir, do you have any comorbidities?
No sir.
Means you are feeling better right now.
Yes sir.
Sir, in future if you want any kind of medical support or doctor consultation, you may directly call our toll-free number 1950. Okay sir, have a nice day. Thank you very much.
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर कैडेट्स हमेशा से ही सामाजिक बुराइयों के खिलाफ पूरे देश भर में जागरूकता
फैलाकर देश के लोगों का उद्धार कर रहे हैं। और आपदा के समय में भी एनसीसी कैडेट्स हमेशा अग्रणी रहते हुए देश व समाज की सेवा के लिए हमेशा ही तत्पर रहते हैं और रहते आए हैं। इस समय देश कोविड महामारी से लड़ रहा है और ऐसे समय में रोहतक ग्रुप के फायर ब्रिगेड बटालियन के एनसीसी कैडेट्स गुड़गांव प्रशासन के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला करके 23 अप्रैल 2021 से ही अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान कर रहे हैं। वे कोविड मरीजों से बात करते हैं, उनसे संपर्क करके जो भी उन्हें जरूरत का सामान होता है उनकी सेवाएं जो होती है प्रदान करते हैं। इस आपदाग्रस्त स्थिति में एनसीसी कैडेट्स पूरे भारत भर में अपने अपने तरीके से देश व समाज की सेवा करके अपने सेवा धर्म का पालन कर रहे हैं। तो आइए हम भी इस कोविड महामारी को परास्त करते हैं और भारत को पुनः उसकी ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचाकर इस देश को गौरवान्वित करते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।